Attention North Huron Fire, Wingham Station. Please respond to the Braemar Nursing Home at 719 Josephine Street North for a general fire alarm. Key holder and on-site pending. That's 719 Josephine Street North, the Braemar Nursing Home. Time of page is 12:26:44. Attention North Huron Fire, Wingham Station. Please respond to the Braemar Nursing Home at 719 Josephine Street North for a general fire alarm. Key holder and on-site pending. That's 719 Josephine Street North, the Braemar Nursing Home. Cross streets of Jim Marks Road and London Road. Time of page is 12:27:33.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Go ahead.
Car 3 acknowledges the page for Braemar Nursing Home.
That's Roger.
Blyth Station, call hotel when you get a chance.
Go ahead, hotel, car 3.
Car 3, I'm just trying to get a hold of Blyth Station for how many people are there.
There's 5 of us here right now.
Roger that. If you want to head out, I'm en route.
Fire dispatch. You can show car 2, car 4 responding.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, call engine 1.
Go ahead.
You can show engine 1 responding 719 Josephine Street North for a fire alarm. Alpha Delta plus 4 belted.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch is tank 9. You're responding.
Sorry if I call in. I believe 2 units were talking at once. You can go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show car 3 responding.
That's Roger. And Tank 9, if you were calling, you can go ahead.
Tank 9 responding, 3 belted.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, you can show tank 4 responding, 2 firefighters belted.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, show tank 8 responding, 2 firefighters belted.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, call engine 1.
Go ahead.
You can show engine 1 on scene. We have nothing showing at this time. Alpha be command, and command will be mobile. We'll be investigating.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, North here, car 2.
Go ahead.
You can show car 2 and car 4 arriving scene as well.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, you can show tank 4 on scene.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, North Huron ladder 2 on scene.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, call command.
Go ahead.
You can show command's made contact with on-site staff. We do have an alarm going off in the blue wing. They do have that wing evacuated. We will be sending an entry crew in.
That's Roger. Command made contact with on-site staff. Alarm going off in the blue wing. That wing has been evacuated, and you'll be sending a team in. It's 12:35:51.
Car 2, car 3.
Go ahead, car 3, this is car 2.
Car 2, I have both tanks rolling, and there's 4 or 5 firefighters at the station. Do you want engine 6 to roll or not?
I think we'll just hold it at the station for right now. We're just doing a little bit more investigating here.
Confirm that engine 6 will remain at Blyth Station for a bit.
Car 3, call command.
Go ahead, command, car 3.
I'm not sure what unit you are on, but all Blythe units can stand down, return to Blythe Station.
Confirming that tank 9, tank 8, and engine 6, everybody can stand down.
Command, entry team 1. Go ahead, entry team 1, command. You can see entry team 1, entered Alpha side. Gonna do inspect the room where the alarm's going off. Roger that, entry team 1 entering Alpha side for inspection. Fire dispatch, call command.
Go ahead.
After further communication with staff on site, we have the location of the alarm, and we're still investigating that room. You can also mark 360 in progress.
That's Roger. You have location of the alarm. You're still investigating, and 360 is in progress. It's 12:40:43.
Fire dispatch, call command.
Go ahead.
You can mark 360 complete. Nothing new to report.
That's Roger. 360 complete. It's 12:42:45.
Fire dispatch, call command.
Go ahead.
You can show entry team has done a full sweep of the room with the camera. Nothing found. The staff on site are going to be resetting the alarm momentarily.
That's Roger. Entry team has done full sweep of the room with the camera. Nothing found. Staff's going to be resetting the alarm. It's 12:43:55.
Command, call car 2. Go ahead, car 2, command. Yeah, you think we're okay to get ladder 2 and tank 4 out of here? Yeah, roger that. They can be released from the scene. Delta, call command. Car 2, call command. Go ahead, command. Can you have someone start that paperwork for me? Roger. Fire dispatch, call command.
Go ahead.
You can show that the system has been reset successfully. The on-site staff is going to be contacting Georgian Bay.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, tank 4.
Go ahead.
Tank 4 has been released from the scene, returning to Wingham Station.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, call command.
Go ahead.
You can show command will be terminated at this location. Location will be left with staff on site. Engine 1 will be clear and returning to Wingham Station.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, tank 4.
Go ahead.
You can show tank 4 back at hall, back in service.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, call Wingham Station.
Go ahead.
You can show engine 1 back at station, back in service. Can you clear off this incident, please?
That's Roger.